This is an incredible tape measure from Priexo. It's a standard tape measure with magnetic on the side, clips on both ends, and a standard measurement at the bottom of 3.5 inches. But built in is a measuring guide that uses a laser to get all different sorts of measurements, from lengths, areas, distances. So let me show you how it works. Comes with a charging cable, charges right here, USB-C. On the display here, you'll see the battery charge. You've also got your unit measurements, so you can measure from the front or the rear of the tape. That way you can butt it up against a wall if you're wanting to measure that way, or if you're measuring to the end of the wall, you can make that selection just by using this button here. Then you can cycle through the different functions by using the function button here, depending on what it is you're trying to measure. So if you're trying to measure square feet, cubic feet, angles, you just rotate through using that button. Now the red line here indicates what measurement you're going to be taking. So if I'm measuring a distance, select that. It's telling me to measure the distance. So I aim it at the wall, take a measurement. That was 3 feet, 1 inch, 15/16. You can hit the measurement button again and it'll store that if you want to take another measurement. And you can store those as well. And you can see it just keeps storing those as you click that measurement button. You can switch between feet and meters by holding down that unit button as well. You can also go into a continuous measurement mode when you hold down the measure button. So now it's constantly measuring and recording the min and max measurement. To measure the area, you'll be measuring the width and depth. You'll take 2 measurements, so the red line indicates your first measurement, and the red line changes for your second measurement. Then it calculates the square feet. Selecting the function again, you can go into cubic feet. Again, you'll take the 3 measurements this time. And that calculates the cubic feet. To measure the height of a wall, you can use the Pythagoras, where you would measure the angle and then the distance from your position to the wall, and that would give you the height. Or if you're in between the wall, you can use a 3-point Pythagoras as well. Having all of that built into the tape measure, as well as having a standard tape measure here, that's a 16-foot or 5 meter. I know I'm going to be reaching for this one over any other tape measure I have laying around. The battery so far on this has lasted a long time. You can see it hasn't even gone down. Comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Measures up to 134.25 feet. There really isn't a reason that someone shouldn't have one of these in their toolkit. I'll leave links to this down below if you're interested in purchasing it. We're always looking for interesting tools, so if you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up.